I've never seen it so quiet out here. It's like a ghost town this morning. You know what it feels like? It feels like Chinese New Year in Taiwan.
Oh, I remember that.
Yeah, just everything was closed, no one was out.
Oh, look at us, gray and pink, twinning it up.
Whoa, couple shirts.
Oh my gosh, what's happening? Asia's changing us.
Yeah. I think today is like the first day of Chuseok, like, yeah. So, we're gonna be taking the train to Jeonju today, and hopefully that means that like everyone's already done their traveling. Although I booked the train tickets like 6 weeks out and all the seats were pretty much gone. Like Chris and I aren't even sitting next to each other. So no, it'll still be busy. Yeah? More adventure?
Adventure. Thought that was 302. That's not 302.
That's one.
This is 302.
Yay, room tour. This is dark and creepy. Oh, that's the bathroom. This is the room. Oh, okay. This is interesting. Yeah, we are. Whoa, here's the room.
Oh, great. We're getting drunk. Oh my god, those are folded in
Those are the
half.
beds. Yeah.
Tradish live.
Yeah.
Man, there's. Oh man, what did you get into?
Yeah.
60 at night for this roach den.
It's actually pretty clean, but yeah, this is interesting. You sleep on futons on the floor.
Oh no, that's not doubled up, that's tripled up. Look, tripled up.
Try it out.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a relive of Japan.
No. Is it just like sleeping on the floor? Oh, tears. Oh shit. How is this? How do people sleep on this? I didn't take a bathroom video. Do people want to see the bathroom? It's kind of cute.
So cute, I gotta use it.
Okay. We're gonna have to get out and get some dinner because we have been on the train for the last 3.5 hours. We took the slowest train. There's multiple train options, but the trains are quite pricey to take down here, and a lot of the train tickets were already gone. So we just picked the slowest, most inexpensive train. Also had the best time, so it just kind of worked that way. But yeah, we're gonna have to go out and get some dinner because we're gonna have to eat something so we can drink a lot, so we can sleep in these beds on the floor. It looks really pretty out there though. I kind of want to walk around too. The only problem is today's the first day of Chuseok and it looks like everything is closed, which is so weird. I don't remember that from last year. Oh well, let's get out. I'm hungry. Good morning. I'm pretty much a terrible vlogger. I never ended the vlog from last night, so pretty much we just went out and we walked around a little bit. We tried to find a restaurant to eat at, but pretty much everything was closed. It was really hard. One place we even went into and they said that they ran out of food, so it was a rough night. We ended up just picking a place. It was like an Italian restaurant, but it wasn't very good, but it's okay.
Oil pasta. Just really want to make sure you knew it was oil pasta.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So I am going to end that vlog and start a new one for, what day is it today? Thursday. All right, bye.